How to redeem a Roblox gift card on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can redeem a Roblox gift card on your mobile. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to redeem our Roblox gift card on mobile, what you need to do is to just go ahead and first of all launch your browser. It doesn't matter if you have the app as well, you can go ahead and do it from your respective applications. Once you launch your browser, in the search box you just want to go to roblox.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box, and just tap and continue in browser. Now whether you're on browser or whether you're on Roblox app, the interface will look pretty much the same after your login, as you can see this kind of. And what you need to do is to tap on the three lines from the very top to left hand side of the screen, and here you'll find the button that says gift card, which is right at the bottom. So you just need to tap on the gift card option. Once you tap on the gift card option on your Roblox app, right over here on the right hand side of the screen at the very top, you can see the option called redeem. So just go ahead and tap on the redeem option, and as you do that, you'll be taken to the official redeem page of Roblox codes of the Roblox website. Now you can also do this process from your PC or your web browser, because it is not limited to only mobile phones, because you can see I'm doing it from the web browser as well. Now just go ahead and enter your gift card, your virtual item or your promo code below, and once you enter your code, tap on the redeem option, which is basically at the bottom of the screen. And that's all it takes to redeem your Roblox gift card on mobile. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.